welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to be making this beautiful earrings I have on. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification, the bell button after subscribing so that you're first to know when we have new videos. We're going to be releasing videos every Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays. So let's go. Materials needed for this project are 0.90mm beading wire or 19 gauge wire, 2mm pearls, accent bead which is optional, round nose pliers and cutter. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut. I'm going to be making my earring with strands of 6 small beads. So what I'm going to do is, so I don't waste my wire, I'm going to string the 6 beads onto the wire and see how long I want my wire to be before I cut off the extra. Now that I have strung 6 beads, I'm going to need to make a closed loop at both sides. So I have this for one loop, so I have my 6 beads. I'll cut off the extra on this side and then I'm going to close the other side too. So I have this. Now what you need to know in this technique is the number of beads you have strung on your wire is going to be the number of links. We'll call this one link. So it's going to be the number of links you're going to make in this video. Because I have 6 beads on this wire, I'm going to make 6 links. For this earring I have 9 beads, so I made 9 links. So this is my first of 6 links, so I'm going to make 5 more just like this. I have my 6 links and I'm using 6 links because I have 6 beads. So if I had 5 beads, I would be using 5 links. If I had 10 beads on the wire, I'll be using 10 different links. So what I'm going to do now is to cut another wire. What I want to do is connect these links together. So I need a wire about this long. Again, I'm going to make a loop to close this one end. And I'm going to start stringing by putting one link and one bead. Another link, another bead. Another link, another bead. Another link. So it's just one link, one bead, one link, one bead. Sorry guys, there's a strand of hair. Another link, another bead, and then we have the last link. Now at this point where we have our last link, we're going to just close and make another loop closing these points. So we want to do the same thing we've done here on the other end. Basically, if you look at this, we already have our diamond shape, so I just need to put my link to connect that side together. So again, I'm going to just cut another strand of wire, close this side. So I'm also going to pick up my wire, slide it into this link, pick up one bead, into another link, another bead, another link, another bead, another link, another bead, another link, another bead, and then the very last one. I've seen videos where people just pass the wire through the links without putting these beads, but I realized that this has a more refined finished look. So right now I'm going to just close this hoop on this side, and I am practically done, guys. Next thing I'm going to do is put my hair wire, my earring wire, to help us with wearing it. So I'm going to just cut about this length in 2 places because I'm making for the 2 earrings. I'm going to just bend this around that finger, and then I'm going to make you should file the sharp edge so that it's not making you have injuries. But I don't have a file, so I'm just going to go ahead and fix my ear wire, and then I'm going to just close it up, and I have my earring. So that's basically what I did. The only difference is I used 9 beads on each wire and made 9 links. For people that are simple, you can pretty much wear your earring like this, but I always like something extra. And by extra, I mean a pop of color. So that's why you see I've added a design bead at the bottom here. You can add glass beads. So I'm going to be putting this at the base of my earring. Cut 2 wires like so for both ears. I'm going to make hoops at the bottom. Slide it into the bead, and then make another hoop. And I have my fantastic earring. I'm going to do the same for, oh sorry, I forgot, we haven't made our second diamond, so I'm going to just quickly do that, and yeah, basically we're done. There you have it, guys. We have our beautiful earrings. I thought I loved this one, but now I think I love this better. Like, this is so classy. Thank you for watching, and just like I said, you can accessorize with any kind of beads. Thanks for watching.